Have you ever wondered why some applications never crash, even when millions of people use them at the same time, while others just get freeze or go offline? Last day I used one application, it just got hanged and I downloaded it from Google Play Store. But think about Netflix, Amazon, or even WhatsApp. How are they always available, always fast, and always reliable? The secret lies in how they are designed in the cloud. And today I am going to show you the exact design principles that make cloud applications rock solid, scalable, and cost efficient. Welcome to this session. In our last video, we explored the economics of the cloud and why it's smarter, cheaper, and more flexible than traditional IT. Now we go one step deeper, because to fully unlock those benefits, you must follow cloud design principles. Think of it as a rule book for building in the cloud. If you build without these principles, it's like building a skyscraper without a foundation. It might stand, but one strong wind could take it down. In the cloud, failure is not an if, it's a when. Server fail, networks fail, disk fail, but the principle here is design for failure and nothing fails. Imagine you run a food delivery applications like Zomato. If one server handling orders crashes, your whole application should not stop. Instead, requests should instantly move to another server without users even noticing. AWS makes this possible using auto scaling and elastic load balancing. So instead of panicking about failure, you embrace it and design so your system heals itself automatically. Have you ever seen Christmas lights? If one bulb goes out, sometimes the whole string goes dark. That's tight coupling. But cloud design avoids that. Instead, we use loose coupling. Each component, like payment order, notifications, works independently. If the payment services is slow, your customer can still browse menus or add items to the cart. AWS tools like Amazon SQS, that is simple queue services, or SNS, that is simple notification services, help in creating this decoupled system. Think of them as the buffers that keep everything running smoothly, even when one piece is busy. Picture an ice cream shop in summer. Huge crowds show up. But in winter, hardly anyone comes. Would you hire 100 staff all year round? Of course not, right? You would scale up in summer and scale down in winter. That's exactly how cloud works. With AWS auto scaling and elastic beanstalk, your applications grows when demand spikes and shrinks when it's quiet. This elasticity ensures you never overpay and never underperform. In cloud design, security is not afterthought. It's building. Imagine a bank vault. It's not just the door that's secure, but the walls, the alarms, and even the guards. In AWS, you secure data at every layer using IAM roles for identity, VPCs for network isolations, and KMS for encryption. So whether it's a hacker on the internet or an insider may make mistake, your application stays protected. Imagine if you had to set up every new servers by hand, it'd be like planting a tree every time you needed the shade. It would be like planting a tree every time you needed the shade. Way too slow, right? Instead, cloud design embraces automation. With tools like AWS CloudFormations or Terraform, you write infrastructure as code, like recipe. Whenever you need, you can recreate the same environment in minutes without human error. Automation is like having a magic button that builds and fixes your systems for you. You can't improve what you don't measure. Cloud design demands continuous monitoring. AWS CloudWatch keeps an eye on performance, cost, and even security alerts. If something goes wrong at 2 a.m., alarms will notify you instantly. And cost optimization, that's about always asking, am I paying only for what I need? Principles like right sizing, reserve instances, and turning off idle resources keep your bills low. So to recap, cloud design principles are about expecting failures, decoupling components, scaling elasticity, securing every layer, automating infrastructure, and monitoring continuous. These are not just fancy rules. They are the foundation of why applications like Netflix, Uber, and Amazon never let you down. In the next video, we will explore something exciting, the 6 advantages of cloud computing. These advantages will show you why the cloud is not just another technology trend. It's the future of IT and innovation, but it is present also. So stick with me, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and let's continue this journey into mastering the cloud. I'm Amit, signing off today. See you in my next video. Thank you.